whenever there's a way in Power BI Desktop, you can find out how each of your report elements, such as visuals or DAX, are performing basically. Guess what? In the May 2019 release of Power BI Desktop, this functionality was added, and it's called Performance Analyzer. So in this new feature, you can see record logs of how each of your report elements are performing when users interact with them, and which aspects of the performance are intensive or expensive. Performance Analyzer inspects and displays the duration necessary for updating or refreshing all visuals that the user interacts with, and presents the information so you can view, drill down, or export the results. Performance Analyzer can help you identify really the visuals that are impacting your report. So say if you have a report, you open up and you notice your visual is just spinning. You see that spinning icon in the top left. If that's spinning for a long time, this tool can be really helpful for you to identify what specific areas of that visual is causing a performance issue. And, you can take a proactive approach to help you troubleshoot and resolve it. So basically, Performance Analyzer also collects and displays the performance assessment information in real time. So each time you click on a visual, move a slicer, interact with the report in any way, the Performance Analyzer will immediately display the performance results in its pane. So I look at this and I'm like, this is really awesome. I feel like there's a couple ways you can use this. Basically, one, if you don't actually know of a problem in your report, but you could suspect it could be something in the long run, or you feel like maybe your DAX query could be made more efficient, this could be a really cool tool for you to actually identify the queries that are taking a long time to load and run. And you can use this to identify it and take a proactive approach. That's a really cool tip in my opinion. And actually too, when the Performance Analyzer is being used, it categorizes them in 3 different areas. DAX query. So basically, if your DAX query is required, it actually calculates the time between the visual sending the query and for analysis services to return results. Visual display. The time required for the visual to draw on the screen, including any time to retrieve any web images or geocoding. And other, this is basically other calculations in the back end, like waiting for other calculations to generate so you can go to the next, time required for the visual to prepare the queries, and other background processing. So really, this is a really cool feature if you want to actually take a proactive approach. Okay, so that's all I have for Performance Analyzer. I'll include links below for more information. Thank you and have a great day.